Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna key battery. First, gather your materials. You will need a new coin cell battery, which is often a CR2032 or CR2450, and a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. This simple process takes only a few minutes and can save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly, then slide out the physical emergency key. This key is essential for the next step, as it will help us safely open the key fob casing without causing any damage. Keep it handy for the next instruction. Now, take the emergency key you just removed and insert its tip into the small notch or slot found on the edge of the key fob. Gently twist the key as if you are turning a lock. This action will carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Once open, remove the old battery and insert the new coin cell battery with the positive side facing upwards. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear them click securely into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot. Now, stand near your vehicle and test the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to confirm it is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.